Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're doing fantastic today because I'm about to share with you how to make or sew a front closure bra. Before we waste any time, let's get started. So for this bra, I am going to be using a stretchy material. It is cotton stretch material. So I'm going to fold it in half, and I already have this pattern in my channel. So I will link the video on the screen so that you guys can check it out. So in order to place this pattern, I'm going to place the band right on fold and then go ahead and cut out the pattern. Once we are done cutting out the pattern, you can see that our bra is going to be more like a one-piece pattern. So the next thing we need to do, of course, I am going to go ahead and attach the elastic right on the center. And I'm not going to pull the elastic, I'm just going to sew it using a zigzag stitch. So the next thing we need to do is to attach the elastic on the neckline, and I am using a different color elastic. It's a picket elastic also. I am going to go ahead and sew a zigzag stitch and leave around 1 inch hanging at the end. And of course, we are going to attach the elastic right at the bottom. And as you sew the elastic, make sure you pull the elastic just enough and also leave around 1 inch on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and sew it using a zigzag stitch. And once you are done, don't forget to trim off all the excess fabric. Okay guys, so once we are done, we're going to attach the elastic also around the armhole. We're going to use the same method that we did for the bottom. So now guys, we are going to go ahead and attach the hooks. So I've got 2 hooks. One I'm going to attach it at the bottom on one side of the cup, and the other one I'm going to attach it at the bottom on one side of the cup. As you can see, this is how it looks also. I hope this part makes sense. But also on the other side of the cup, instead of attaching the hooks, we're just going to fold it in and then sew a straight line. And this will create a loop for the hook to actually go inside. Now this is how it all looks, but before guys we continue, if you really love what you see so far, do not forget to give this tutorial a good thumbs up. So we want to go ahead now and attach the straps, and this is how our bra will look. So my straps is actually 18 inches and yours can be around 19, but mine is 18 inches. So let's go ahead and attach the straps. And I'm going to also attach the rings at the tip of the cups. Go ahead and sew a straight stitch. Then we later on going to attach our strap. And we are done, guys. I really enjoyed making this project. It was easy and fun. So I hope you also enjoy making this bra for yourself. As for me, see you on the next one.